Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce to you our future. Our future. Our future. Our future.
Lindsay, you have been so much more to me than a girlfriend, so much more than a fiance, and will be so much more than a wife. You are the person that I have been searching for the better part of 35 years, and the woman I will love for the better part of forever.
Are you ready? Do you believe in magic?
B. It's here, the day we officially become a family. You have proven this to me time and time again, especially through our hardest times. You were there, you will be there. I will love you forever.
Our future. Our future.